Well, g'day curd nerds. Welcome to day 11 of the Cheese a Day challenge, and today's cheese is Danish Feta. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, I don't think they can really call it Feta because Feta is a DPO cheese, or designated production origin cheese, from Greece, and last I looked, Denmark is nowhere near Greece. Anyway, so I've got this cheese from, where did I get it from? Woolworths. It cost me $4, which is not very much. 200 gram packet. It says on the front, Danish Feta, extra smooth and creamy, improved firm texture, mild flavoured cheese. I'd like to know what it was improved from, but anyway. The proper description on the back says Danish white milk feta. It says Nisi, which is the brand name, is a trademark of Alpha Foods, product of Denmark. So the ingredients are pasteurised skimmed cow's milk, palm oil, which is certified sustainable palm oil apparently, microbial rennet, cheese culture, salt, and it has a fat content of 19%. So fairly light on the fat is our Danish Feta here. In a nondescript plastic packet, just been vacuum packed. I'll just see if I can get it open using the, oh, there we go, I don't have to use the knife. How good is that? Fairly moist inside. It looks like it's cracked. Now I'll get a piece out. So just a slab of white cheese with a big crack down the middle. Pretty cool. So let's just turn it out. Oh, look at all that extra brine, I would think it is. Just come out. Maybe that's not the way to do it. Anyway, it's a lot of brine. Just take that piece that's been cut. Oh, what do I do? All right, I do need some crackers. That's what I need. I need my trusty cracker box. Oh, and all the crackers are cracked. Hence the name crackers, I suppose. All right, let's try some of this. Well, it certainly doesn't cut like normal Greek Feta. It is not crumbly at all. Just slices. Let's have a look. Yep, it just smooshes down and spreads. Smell, not a, either I've got a blocked nose or I can't. There's not much of a smell to it. Slightly salty. Certainly less saltier than the fetas that I make. This is made from cow's milk too, so it says in the packet anyway. So traditional Greek Feta is made with 70% sheep's milk and 30% goat's milk. So totally different flavour, texture. It's a lot smoother, a lot creamier. Not much of a acidic bite to it, as you would with normal Feta. Certainly not very crumbly either. More on the smooth and creamy side. But that's what it stated on the packet, so I'll go with that. Let's put a bit more on my cracker. More of a white cheese than a Feta, I think. Look, it's okay. I'm not over the moon on it. I wouldn't rush out and say buy it again, because when I like to make a salad and put Feta through it, I like the cubes to be defined, crumbly, a lot saltier than this. But this is fine for spreading on toast in the morning, I would think. Yeah, that's what I do with it. I use it as a spreadable cheese because it certainly is that. It certainly doesn't have the sharpness of the cream cheese that I make. So it's not really cream cheese. It's kind of in the middle of feta and cream cheese. So yeah, it's okay. Out of 10, I'd give it a 6 or a 7, I reckon. Probably because personal taste, I like Greek Feta better. Certainly no sharpness at all. No sharpness. Smooth, consistent, smooth paste. Low acidity, light salt. So not a bad cheese overall, but like I said, between a 6 and a 7 I give this, if I was going to rate cheeses out of 10. So there you go, Danish white milk feta, as it states on the packet. But like I said, I don't think you can call it feta. Not allowed to. As I've been reminded many times on my channel by my Greek viewers when I make or even put the word feta against any cheese recipes. Anyway, that was today's cheese, Danish white milk feta. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Tomorrow's cheese is a special one. It is a French double cream cheese called Le Dauphin, or Dauphin, I don't know, or something, or Dorpin, or I don't know. And it translates to the dolphin. And it says it's been selected by Will Studd, that famous cheesemaker or cheese connoisseur, I suppose, who does those TV shows called Cheese Slices. Anyway, that should be an interesting cheese tomorrow. Looking forward to trying the Dolphin, which is a double cream mold ripened cheese in a very fancy little box. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. If you want to buy supplies to make your own cheese, better than this one, just go to littlegreenworkshops.com.au and you'll see the cheese section there where you can buy supplies, kits and ingredients to make your next cheese. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you tomorrow on another Cheese a Day challenge. Bye.